Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Valorant Vanguard not initialized error. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is open up run, and then on the run type in msconfig and hit enter. Now once it loads, on the general section select normal startup and then click on apply and OK. Now on the services section, what you need to do is check to see if the VCG is active or not. As I don't have the Valorant game, it's not showing right here, but if you have the Valorant game, the VCG will be shown right here. Keep in mind to select it, and once done, tap on OK or click on OK. The next thing that you need to do is open up your services app, and once you're inside your services, here what you need to do is locate the VCG app, and then once you locate the app, what you need to do is click on properties, and once you click on properties, here what you need to do is select the status type to automatic, and then check the service status is running or not. If it's not running for some reason, simply click on stop, then click on start, and after some time the apply button will appear. Simply click on apply and OK. And now once you do that, all you gotta do is go back and try again, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.